men's javelin throw. Here is your start list. 13 athletes are due to line up. They have waited so patiently throughout this athletic program here at Birmingham 2022. And the familiar names of Jago in the mix, Peters here as well. Meanwhile, in our other field final, round one in this men's javelin, Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan was 5th at the Olympic Games in Tokyo last year. He was also 5th recently at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon. So looking to get his account open. Oh, that's a good start. Oh, gosh. Clearly over the 85-metre line. His lifetime best is 86.38. That is going to be very close. In his second Commonwealth Games, last two majors in 5th position. This is a brilliant opener by Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan. He's really thrown the gauntlet down to the rest of the athletes in this field. Look at the roar. 86.81, a lifetime best, into the lead. Julius Jago then of Kenya. Now, if anyone's going to challenge Nadeem of Pakistan, it's going to be Jago. The world champion in 2015, the African champion this year, was disappointed in Oregon. Was 14th in qualifying. Not near his best. Only over 80 metres this year. Oh, but he's responded to Nadeem's throw of 86.81. That's better. He's a 92.72 thrower at his best. A little smile from Julius Jago. 85.70, a season's best, into second. It's round number 3. Arshad Nadeem opened, of course, with that lifetime best of 86 metres and 81. He's starting to feel the likes of Julius Jago, Anderson Peters, Kishore Walcott breathing down his neck. He had no throw in the second round. Well, that's better. That's a lot better. Approaching the game's record line as well, which is 88.75 from Marius Corbett, the South African, back in 1998. This is going to give him a little bit more leeway here, an athlete from Pakistan. 88 metres exactly. Another personal best extends his lead. So the men's javelin final continuing. Just saw the leading throw. 88 metres, another personal best from Nadeem. And here's Anderson Peters. We're in the 5th round now. Peters is in the bronze medal position with 82 metres and 74. And just as I roll off the credentials for Peters, it lands in the beautiful turf here in Birmingham. That is huge from the Grenadian. Remember, the lead is 88 metres. He punches the air. 88.64. Peters goes into the lead. The world champion has pulled out a massive throw in round 5. He's now 64 centimetres ahead of Nadeem of Pakistan. Nadeem of Pakistan then in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high. Good grief. It was not coming down. Anderson Peters has gone, oh my days, have I got to pull out another big one in the last round here? It's coming through the system. 90 metres and 18 centimetres. It's a games record by the athlete from Pakistan and a lifetime best over 90 metres for the first time. Here we go then, Anderson Peters. He has the silver medal one. He needs to go over 90 metres and 18, the world champion. Oh, it's not going to be enough. But it's a nice smile from Anderson Peters from Grenada. 88.64 in the 5th round. He falls to the ground. He's the Commonwealth champion with a new lifetime best. He's gone over 90 metres for the first time ever. A brilliant games record, a brilliant personal best, and a brilliant gold medal for Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan. Now let's wrap up that men's javelin throw final. Gold went to Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan in that games record, 90 metres and 18. Anderson Peters, the world champion, picked up the silver, and Julius Jago with a season's best picked up the bronze. Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan, 90 metres and 18. Got his lead back in round 5 after that personal best in round 1 of 86.81. A games record for the Pakistan athletes, a record that has stood since 1998. The first ever gold for Pakistan in this event. It's their only medal that they achieved here in Birmingham. Well, 32 different nations have won medals here in Birmingham, in the athletics, in the Alexander Stadium. Pakistan is one of them, courtesy of their javelin champion, Arshad Nadeem, and that games record, a huge 90+ metre throw. Here in Birmingham at the Commonwealth Games.
जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सबसे पहले मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और अपने वालिदैन का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जिनकी दुआएं थी, और पूरे पाकिस्तानी कौम का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ जिनकी दुआओं से अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे बहुत इज़्ज़त दी और मैंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह गोल्ड जीता है और मैंने कॉमनवेल्थ का न्यू रिकॉर्ड किया है, नेशनल न्यू रिकॉर्ड किया है। आप सबकी दुआओं का बहुत शुक्रिया। और नेक्स्ट पेरिस में ओलंपिक्स आ रही है, उसके लिए भी इसी तरह दुआ करते रहें और मैं इंशाल्लाह हमेशा दुनिया में इसी तरह नाम रोशन करता रहूँ। थैंक यू।
Champion with a new lifetime best. He's gone over 90 metres for the first time ever. A brilliant games record, a brilliant personal best and a brilliant gold medal for Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan.